My name is Arabelle, and today, November 7th, I turned 1 month, and this is my new bassinet, and I just poo-pooped on it, too. Oh! Uh-oh. I hope I'm not gonna get bored with this too soon. Actually, it looks like I'm getting bored right about now. Mommy, change my diaper. What the hell are you doing? Uh-oh. 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 Oh, never mind all these blankets and stuff. It doesn't go with the bassinet. That's why the colors don't match. But it's okay. I'm still cute. Hi. Hi, Arabelle. Happy 1 month. Oh, look this way. Look this way. What sound is that? It's the bird chirping. It's your bassinet. Hi. Say hi to everyone. Hi. Hi. Uh-oh. Getting cranky. Getting cranky. Say something. Say something. Say something. Are you pooping again? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Come on. Say something. What you looking at? What you looking at? Oh, so sleepy, mommy. But I just woke up. Okay. Time to change your diaper. Unless you want to poo-poo again. You're making that face like you want to poo-poo. What you doing? What you doing? What you looking at? Oh, you're looking at lights. Look, you're looking at the lights. At this light right here. Right here. Oh, you love lights. You love lights. Are you pooping? Hold on, Daddy. Hold on. I'm more important than you. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, Mommy's gonna stop right now. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. Woo!